Want to grow your own tomatoes but think it is too hard or you need special seeds? This is the absolute easiest way ever, perfect for total beginners. You only need one tomato you already have at home. Let me show you exactly how I do it. Take a fresh ripe tomato and cut it into normal round slices, not too thin. Grab yourself a small clean container and fill it about halfway up with good potting mix. Lay your tomato slices flat, gently rye, on top of the soil. Then just sprinkle a little bit more of that potting mix over them. Only a light covering, do not bury them deep. Water it slowly and gently until the whole soil becomes nicely damp, but do not pour so much that it sits in puddles. Pop it in a bright warm spot where it gets soft light but not strong burning direct sun. Then you just wait. And just like mine, after about 2 weeks, you will start seeing these tiny green seedlings popping up through the soil. Once they grow a little stronger and get their first proper leaves, gently separate each one and move them into their own bigger pots. Now for the simple care. Give them about 4 to 6 hours of sunlight each day, slowly giving them more as they get bigger. Check the soil every few days. Pop your finger in the top couple of centimeters and only water when it feels dry. Keep it evenly damp, never wet and soggy. From here, they will keep growing strong, and in around 10 to 12 weeks from the day you planted those slices, you will be picking and eating your very own homegrown tomatoes. It really is that simple. Give it a go.